So yesterday we have seen the stability of the ionic compound. Okay, so stability of the ionic compound, it's purely okay is estimated by knowing the amount of energy that is released. Okay, during its lattice formation. During its lattice formation, how much amount of energy is released? Okay, during a lattice formation. So yesterday we have seen example of when this NaCl, okay, in gaseous state, when it get converted into sodium chloride, NaCl in a solid state, and during that the amount of energy change, that is minus 788 kilojoule per mole. Okay, this much amount of energy, okay, this much amount of energy was released, okay, during the conversion of sodium chloride, which was in gaseous state, to the sodium chloride in a solid state. So what this means for the stability of the ionic compounds? Okay, stability of the ionic compound, it is estimated by knowing the amount of energy that is released. How much amount of energy is released? यहाँ पे देख सकते हो आप लोग. So minus sign. This minus sign is indicate how much amount of energy is released. Okay. So during its lattice formation, and we cannot say the stability of this ionic compound is okay, or it is calculated, or it is predicted by simply the energy what is associated with the completion of octet. Okay, so how much amount of energy that is required to complete the octet, based on that we cannot predict its stability for the ionic compound. Okay, so this is the case for the ionic compound. Now we'll see, now we'll discuss about the lattice enthalpy. Okay, what is the meaning of lattice enthalpy? So that we will discuss. So lattice enthalpy, lattice enthalpy. So the name is given lattice enthalpy. Okay. So what is the meaning of this lattice enthalpy? So lattice enthalpy. Okay. For an ionic solid. Okay, because right now we are okay about the ionic solids. Okay, ionic bond के बारे में discuss कर रहे हैं हम लोग. So this lattice enthalpy of an ionic solid. Okay. So for ionic solid. Okay, ionic solids. So for ionic solids, this lattice enthalpy, it is related with the amount of that energy, okay, energy required to complete. It is the energy required to complete, that is completely separate one mole of, okay, it is to separate one mole of, one mole of solid, okay, one mole of solid, one mole of solid okay, one mole of solid ionic compound, one mole of solid ionic compound, solid ionic compound. We'll write first, okay, then we'll discuss. One mole of ionic compounds into gaseous component, okay, into gaseous component, okay, into gaseous component. So that is called as the amount of enthalpy, okay, that is lattice enthalpy. Lattice enthalpy, okay, so for ionic solids, this is the amount of energy actually, okay, because this enthalpy which will be related with the amount of energy, and this amount of energy which is required to completely separate one mole of solid, okay, one mole of solid को separate करेंगे हम लोग, okay, from the ionic compound, okay, and into a gaseous component, okay. So solid component we can say get converted into the gaseous component, okay, one mole of it get converted into gaseous component, and during this how much amount of energy is being required, okay. So now we'll see for sodium chloride, okay, suppose sodium chloride, okay, is the lattice enthalpy of the sodium chloride, if we check, okay, so that is equals to 788 kilojoule per mole, okay. So we have written it minus 788 kilojoule per mole, okay, during the crystal ड्यूरिंग द लैटिस फॉर्मेशन, ओके लैटिस फॉर्मेशन के लिए लिखा हम लोगों ने, ओके so the lattice enthalpy here right now it is 788 kilojoule per mole, and which means that the total 788 kilojoule of energy is required, okay this much of energy is required to separate 1 mole of sodium chloride into 1 mole of gaseous Na plus, okay and Cl minus ions, okay to a to an infinite distance. So we'll write here, okay it is the amount of energy which is required, okay to separate, okay to separate 1 mole of sodium chloride, 1 mole of sodium chloride. So 1 mole of sodium chloride which is in a solid state, okay 1 mole of sodium chloride which is in a solid state into 1 mole of into 1 mole of this sodium chloride in its gaseous state, okay into 1 mole of into 1 mole of gaseous, 1 mole of gaseous Na plus, okay so Na plus and Cl minus ions, okay so which is in gaseous state, and this is Cl minus ions in a gaseous state. So this is called as a lattice enthalpy. Lattice enthalpy, it is what? First enthalpy which is related with the amount of energy, enthalpy which is related with the amount of energy, and how much amount of energy is required to convert that from solid to the gaseous component, and how much quantity? 1 mole of, okay 1 mole of the sodium chloride, 1 mole of sodium chloride, okay into 1 mole of gaseous Na plus and Cl minus ions, and this amount of energy is 788 kilojoule per mole. This much amount of energy is being required, okay uska opposite hai just now what we have seen, okay in earlier case the value was minus 788 kilojoule per mole, okay when it was getting converted into from gaseous state to solid state, जब ये convert हो रहा था तब उसकी value minus थी, बराबर है, right now it will be a positive, okay right now it will be positive value. So the lattice enthalpy values of some ionic compounds are mentioned, okay so lattice enthalpy, so lattice enthalpy is given, so for some of the compounds that we will discuss, and its order of increasing order or decreasing order, what is that we will see, okay so the compounds, okay so different compounds and their lattice enthalpy, their lattice enthalpy. So lattice enthalpy value, that is in terms of kilojoule per mole, kilojoule per mole में value है. So if you we will observe, okay LiCl, so lithium chloride, so value is 853 kilojoule per mole. Sodium chloride value आप check कर सकते हो 788, just now we have written for BeF2, okay so barium fluoride, the value is 3020 kilojoule per kilojoule per mole. Calcium chloride CaCl2, okay 2258 kilojoule per mole, and AlC aluminium chloride, okay value is 5492. So these are the values of lattice enthalpies for these different compounds. These are ionic compounds, these are what? Ionic compounds, okay so for the same anion and the different cation, okay for the same anion, okay and the different cations, the rule, okay the energy levels, okay so cations having higher charge have large lattice energies, okay so now what is that, okay आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे in case of AlCl3 the value is very high, in case of lattice enthalpy, okay उसका reason क्या है वो देखेंगे हम लोग, okay so here you look at the AlCl3, okay another is a CaCl2, another is a sodium chloride, okay look at this right now, here it is Cl minus and Cl minus ions, okay तो आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे so cations having higher charge, okay So cations having higher charge, okay, जिसका higher charge होता है, okay, those who are having same anions, okay, same anions, okay. So you check here in all these three compounds, AlCl3, CaCl2 and NaCl. What you are observing in all these three cases, the anion is same here. बराबर है, anion कौन सा है इसमें? क्लोरीन anion, बराबर है, क्लोरीन anion है. So here chlorine is the anion, बराबर है, Cl minus is the anion in all these three cases. Okay, but check about the cations. So Al aluminum is cation here, calcium is cation here, sodium is a cation here. So on what basis it has to decide which compound is having higher lattice enthalpy? So that can be predicted, that can be decided based on the cationic charge. Cationic charge के ऊपर हम लोग decide कर सकते हैं. Okay, so if you will check, okay, aluminium अगर आप देखोगे, okay, aluminium के लिए अगर आप check करोगे, so for aluminium you check aluminium, okay, for aluminium ka, yes, atomic number is 13. So what is the configuration? Yes, 283. Okay, this is for aluminium. Then next for calcium, okay, calcium, yes, configuration is a 20. Okay, configuration is a, yes, 20, and it will be, yes, 2882. Okay, and for sodium, okay, it is 11. So sodium, its atomic number is 11. The configuration, electronic configuration is 281. So now looking at this, what you are observing, for aluminium, valence electron is 3. For calcium, valence electron is 2. For sodium, valence electron is 1. And this is, means what? It can lose the three numbers of electrons. So what will be the charge on, what will be the cationic charge on aluminium? So aluminium cationic charge will be 3 plus. Okay, ये देखो, because 3 electrons it can lose. Okay, then for calcium it is having last 2 valence electron. What is the meaning of this? So calcium can lose 2 electrons, and when it will lose 2 electrons, what is the cationic charge over it? It is a Ca2 plus. And for sodium, last valence electron is 1. So based on it, what is the cationic charge over sodium is what? Na plus. So now look at this compound AlCl3, CaCl2 and NaCl. So where you are observing higher cationic charge. Okay, what is that? Higher cationic charge. Okay, higher cationic charge for same, yes, for same anion. Okay, for same anion. Okay, for the same anion, where it is higher, where it is, yes, for this aluminium the cationic charge is higher, it is 3 plus, and for calcium it is 2 plus, and for sodium it is, yes, 1 plus. So the, based on this, the value of, okay, the value of large lattice energies, okay, it can be decided based on this parameter. And here it is right now, higher value of lattice enthalpy, we can say, okay, higher value of the lattice energy, okay, for aluminium, this chloride AlCl3. Then between these two, so cationic charge is higher in case of calcium, that is Ca2 plus के लिए ज़्यादा है, बराबर है, because cationic charge is higher in case of this compound as compared with this sodium. So this is the value, okay, this is the value, and this is the way of, you can say, higher lattice enthalpy, higher lattice energy will be for AlCl3. Okay, so आप देख सकते हो, इसमें भी आप देख सकते हो, it is having lattice enthalpy of 5492 kilojoule per mole, and it is having higher, okay, energy as compared with this CaCl2. Okay, आप देख सकते हो, this sodium chloride is having lowest energy. Why? The reason, okay, why, what is the reason that it is having lower lattice enthalpy? This is the reason. For the same anion, this aluminium is having higher cationic charge as compared with the calcium and as compared with the sodium. So this is the reason. Next is, as the size of cation decreases, okay, अभी जो size है cation का decrease होता है, लैटिस एनर्जी इंक्रीज हो जाती है. ओके, सो व्हाट इज दैट, हाउ दिस लैटिस एनर्जी इज इंक्रीजिंग. ओके, व्हेन द cationic size is decreasing. So consider the example. Okay, so LIF. Okay, LIF. Next is NAF, and the next one is a KF. So check this. Okay, lithium, sodium, and potassium. Which one is having the lower, or we can say the size. Okay, size of cation. Okay, size of cation किसका छोटा है. Okay, size of the cation. इसमें देखो ये वाला cation है, इसमें सोडियम cation है, and इसमें पोटेशियम cation है. So this is the cation. Okay, this is the cation, and all these cases the anion कौन सा है, this fluorine atom is the anion. Okay, so here जो जो सर्कल किया हुआ है वो क्या है, कैटायन है. आप देख सकते हो लिथियम का जो साइज है, ओके, लिथियम का साइज है वो क्या है, स्मॉल साइज है. ओके, सो एज द साइज ऑफ कैटायन डिक्रीजेस, सो आई विल राइट हियर. ओके, एज द साइज ऑफ कैटायन it decreases. Okay, size of the cation decreases. Okay, lattice energy increases. lattice की जो एनर्जी रहेगी, okay, that will increase. Okay, so now based on this, size of cation is less in case of lithium, that's why its lattice energy is higher. Okay, size of this sodium is as compared with this is larger. Okay, lithium से larger, या फिर बोल सकते हो पोटेशियम के कंपेयर में सोडियम का जो साइज है वो स्मॉलर है, and that's why lattice energy is what, higher in that case. Okay, so size of cation that is decreases, the lattice energy increases. Okay, lattice energy increases, and lattice energy will be higher. Okay, in case of this LiF, lithium fluoride. Okay, so this is about the lattice enthalpy. Okay, lattice enthalpy and ionic solid. Now we will discuss about what is the meaning of bond. Okay, what is the kind of a bond which will be formed. Okay, that is called as a covalent bond. Okay, covalent bond क्या है वो देखेंगे हम लोग अभी. Now we'll discuss about the covalent bond. Okay. Yes, covalent bond. Okay, covalent bond. So formation of the covalent bond. Okay, so in the between the different atoms. Okay, was suggested by this Lewis. Okay, Lewis suggested that there are atoms which attain inert gas configuration. We have already seen inert gas configuration, that is NS2 and NP6. Okay, octet it will complete by sharing one or more electron pairs. Okay, with similar or dissimilar atoms. Each atom contributes one electron to the shared electron pair and has equal claim on the shared electron pair. And this Langmuir called the Lewis electron pair bond a covalent bond. So this was the scientist. Okay, Langmuir. Okay, Langmuir. So Langmuir he called Lewis electron pair. Okay, already हमने देखा हुआ है Lewis electron pair क्या है तो. So he Lewis electron pair. Okay, Lewis electron pair according to this Langmuir is nothing but the bond. Okay, that is called as the covalent bond. Okay, covalent bond. It is the sharing of the electron. Okay, it is what the sharing of the electron. Okay, sharing of the electron. So Lewis Langmuir accept. Okay, so a shared pair of electron is represented as a dash. Okay, so shared pair electron is represented. ये देखो ये वाला इलेक्ट्रॉन है और ये वाला इलेक्ट्रॉन है. अभी उसको हम लोग एक लाइन से ज्वाइन कर देंगे. And this is what a bond will be formed. Okay, this is what the bond will be formed, and it is responsible for holding the two atoms together. बराबर, यहाँ पे एक दूसरा एटम रहेगा और यहाँ पे दूसरा एटम रहेगा. And this bond that is called as the covalent bond, this bond will be responsible to hold these X and Y different element held together. Okay, so that bond is called as the covalent bond. What is happening? This element is sharing its one of the electron to this another element, and this element, okay, element X is sharing this electron, okay, with this Y element, and they are forming a bond. Okay, they are forming a bond between them. And what is the meaning of formation of this bond? They are held together with each other with some force. Okay, with some force of attraction, and that force of attraction is represented by this covalent bond. Okay, so attractive force which exists due to a mutual sharing of electron between these two atoms of a similar electronegativity or having small difference in electronegativities is called as the covalent bond. So what is the condition? There may be a very small difference between these two X and Y elements, or these two X and Y atoms. Okay, so and then there may be having the similar electronegativity of these two atoms. Okay, ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि इन दोनों atoms का same electronegativity हो, या फिर दोनों के electronegativity में कुछ difference हो. So what is happening? So this electron of this atom, okay, is shared by another atom, and it's one of the electron is shared by the another atom, and due to this called as a force of attraction. Okay, this is called as a force of attraction, and this force of attraction which is represented by the bond, and that is called as the covalent bond. Now we'll discuss about the formation of the different molecules. Okay, how the formation of these different molecules is takes place due to this formation of the covalent bond. So very first we will discuss about the formation of the H2 molecule. Okay, so now in the formation of H2 molecule, we will discuss what is happening in this formation of H2 molecule. So formation of H2 molecule. Okay, so this is a molecule of these two hydrogen atoms. आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे two hydrogen atoms they are associated with this molecule. Okay, now what will happen? These same atoms, the same atoms of this hydrogen, they will form a bond. Okay, now how they are forming a bond, that we will discuss. So we know that the hydrogen, okay, hydrogen, how much valence electron is for hydrogen? Its atomic number is 1. So yes, this is the one valence electron for the hydrogen atom. Okay, so for this one hydrogen atom and this another hydrogen atom, and for this consider I'm representing, okay, dot and cross structure से मैं show कर रहा हूँ आप लोगों को यहाँ पे. तो आप देखो यहाँ पे, okay, or even you can show with the help of simply the dot structure से भी show कर सकते हो. Okay, यहाँ पे देखो. So this hydrogen atom is having this one electron, and this hydrogen atom is having this one electron. Now what is happening? Okay, so this hydrogen atom is, yes, this is sharing its one of the electron with this hydrogen atom to complete its duplet. क्या हो रहा है? क्या complete हो रहा है? Duplet complete हो रहा है. What is the meaning of duplet? You know very well. Okay, so those elements that are having lower number of electrons, so they will form their duplet like this. Okay, because they will not form an octet. Okay, so this is forming a duplet, and this hydrogen atom, okay, this hydrogen atom is forming the duplet, okay, by sharing one of the electron. So now how it can be represented? हम लोग कैसे इसको represent कर सकते हैं? So we can represent it with the bond formation. So here it is a line. Now what is the meaning of this line actually? So at the ends of this line, okay, there will be one electron and there will be one electron at this end. Okay, if suppose we are drawing this one line, and what is the meaning of this line? This line is nothing but the covalent bond. This is nothing but a covalent bond which will indicate the force of attraction between this hydrogen and this hydrogen atom. They are held together with the covalent bond with the force of attraction. Okay, so with this covalent bond will represent one electron is present over here, when one electron is present over here, and they are sharing this electron, okay, mutually with each other. So this is called as the formation of H2 molecules. The shared pair of the electrons belongs equally to both the hydrogen atoms. The two atoms are said to be linked by a single covalent bond. Now what we can call it as a, okay, this is a single covalent bond. क्या बोल सकते हैं हम लोग इसमें? Here right now a single covalent bond is formed. Okay, single covalent bond which is formed between this hydrogen and this hydrogen atom, because right now it is a single line. Okay, so single covalent bond and a molecule H2 molecule is formed. Okay, so here the H2 molecule will be formed. So what is that? H plus H, and it will form H2 molecule in this way. Okay, so this is the formation of H2 molecule. Okay, now we'll see the formation of, okay, formation of chlorine. Okay, Cl2 molecule. Okay, next one is the formation of Cl2. Okay, Cl2 molecule. Okay, Cl2 molecules देखेंगे हम लोग. Okay, so chlorine. Okay, so we know very well that chlorine is having, yes, chlorine का atomic number is 17. Okay, so based on it 2, 8 and yes 7. Okay, in this way 2, 8, 7. How many electrons at valence? It is having 7 electrons. It is having. Okay, 7 valence electron it is having. So how we can draw this 7 electrons? Okay, कैसे draw कर सकते हैं हम लोग इसको 7 electrons? तो देखो यहाँ पे chlorine. Okay, 7 valence electron. So ये देखो यहाँ पे 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and here it is 5 and 6. Okay, and here it is a 7. Okay, so this is the 7 electrons, valence electrons for this chlorine atom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Another chlorine atom, another chlorine atom. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7. So total 7 valence electrons are there. So what will happen if one of its chlorine, one of its electron of the chlorine, if it is shared by this chlorine atom, so it will form a octet. Yes, it will form a octet. अभी ये क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे? Octet form हो रहा है, बराबर. Just like यहाँ पे duplet form हो रहा था, बराबर है. यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? Octet form हो रहा है. Okay, octet form हो रहा है. So and for this chlorine atom it will, yes, share this another electron, okay, from this atom, and this will also complete its octet. Okay, ये देखो आप 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 octet. Okay, is completing. So there, this is a pair of the electron, okay, which is shared mutually between these two atoms. So now what will happen? Okay, so this is the chlorine. Okay, this is the chlorine, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is the one line right now. Okay, this is the chlorine. So 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 5, 6. So आप देख सकते हो इसमें. So this chlorine is completing its octet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, like this, and this chlorine is completing octet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And in this way they are forming, okay, one chlorine, another chlorine, and it is forming Cl2. Okay, आप देख सकते हो Cl2 atoms. Okay, Cl2 molecules it will be formed. Okay, Cl2 molecules will be formed. So we can say that here chlorine, and this is the chlorine. They are bounded by a, once again, a single covalent bond. Once again, this is a single covalent bond. Okay, single covalent bond. Okay, आप देख सकते हो इसमें. So you can observe that this is the single covalent bond which is right now present between this chlorine atom, and in this way it will form a chlorine molecule. So this is about the formation of the chlorine. Okay, so the dots represent the electrons. So you know very well that these dots are representing the electrons, and such structures are referred to as a Lewis structure. इन structures को क्या बोला जाता है? Lewis structure बोला जाता है. Okay, so these structures are called as the Lewis structure because we are drawing it, okay, with the help of dot structure. Okay, so the Lewis dot structure can be written for other molecules also, in which the combining atoms may be identical or different. Okay, so following are the important features. Okay, following are the important features. Okay, of a covalent bond. So what are the features of the covalent bond? Because right now we have seen, okay, H2 molecule के लिए देखा हम लोगों ने, where it was forming a single covalent bond between the same atom. Okay, same atom थे ये hydrogen. Okay, so what are the features of the covalent bond that we will see? Okay, features. Okay, features of this covalent bond. Okay, so features of this covalent bond. Okay, covalent bond के features क्या है? So each bond is formed as a result of sharing of electron pair between the two atom. Okay, so due to the sharing of electron. Okay, due to the sharing of electron पेयर. ओके, शेयरिंग ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर, बराबर. इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर, दो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स थे वो शेयर हो रहे थे उसके मॉलिक्यूल्स के, उसके एटम्स के बीच में. सो शेयरिंग ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर, this result into, okay, formation of the bond. Okay, bond will be formed. Okay, bond will be formed due to the sharing of this electron pair between these two different atoms. Okay, between these two different atoms, between these two different different, or we can say the same atoms. Then when a bond is formed, each combining atom contribute one electron. बराबर है. क्या देखा हम लोगों ने अभी just? Okay, that each atom is contributing. Okay, each atom is contributing वन इलेक्ट्रॉन, बराबर है. कॉन्ट्रीब्यूटिंग वन इलेक्ट्रॉन, बराबर है. यहाँ पे देखो हाइड्रोजन एक इलेक्ट्रॉन कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहा था और यहाँ पे एक हाइड्रोजन वन इलेक्ट्रॉन कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहा था. क्लोरीन में देखो यहाँ पे एक इलेक्ट्रॉन कंट्रीब्यूट हो रहा था और यहाँ पे एक इलेक्ट्रॉन कंट्रीब्यूट हो रहा था. सो ईच एटम कंट्रीब्यूटिंग वन इलेक्ट्रॉन. ओके, वन इलेक्ट्रॉन टू शेयर, टू द शेयर्ड पेयर. ओके, टू शेयर्ड पेयर. ओके, शेयर्ड पेयर, क्योंकि पेयर जब फॉर्म होगा, बराबर है, पेयर फॉर्म होगा तो उसके लिए क्या चाहिए, बराबर है ना, दो एटम्स के बीच में दो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स चाहिए. ये देखो ये एक इलेक्ट्रॉन और ये एक इलेक्ट्रॉन. दिस विल बी कॉल्ड एज द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द पेयर. ओके, so pair means what? Double quantity. Okay, these two electrons. Then the combining atom attains the outer shell noble gas configuration. अभी देखो यहाँ पे जो कंबाइन होने के बाद क्या हो गया, कंबाइन होने के बाद क्लोरीन ने ऑक्टेट कंप्लीट किया. ओके, सो कंबाइनिंग एटम, ओके, so combining atom attains, combining atom after combining, okay, this atom attains the noble gas configuration, attains the outer shell noble gas configuration, attains, okay, outer shell noble gas configuration. It attains outer shell noble gas configuration. It attains noble gas configuration, which is in a pattern of ns2 and np6. यानी उसमें जो लास्ट में जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है आपने देखा अभी जस्ट. ओके, इट इज अटेनिंग this noble gas configuration. Okay, 8 electrons. It is completing its octet. बराबर है ना. क्या हो रहा था, octet complete हो रहा था. क्या हो रहा था, octet complete हो रहा था. In the lower elements like this hydrogen में क्या हो रहा था, duplet complete हो रहा था. Okay, duplet in case of the hydrogen, just आपने देखा. So these are the features of this covalent bond. So when the bond will be formed, what will happen, they will share the electron pairs, okay, between these two different atoms. Then each atom will contribute one of the electron. Okay, देखा हम लोगों ने, each atom is contributing one of its electron, and after combining, so they were contributing, they were attaining the octet. Okay, हम लोगों ने अभी just example देखा in case of chlorine, बराबर है. क्लोरीन का example देखा 1 2 3 4 5 6, but this is 7 and 8. Okay, क्लोरीन के कितने हो गए, टोटल 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हो गए. And for this chlorine 1 2 3 4 5 6, आप देख सकते हो, it is also attaining the outer shell configuration, that is 8 electrons, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and this is 7 8. Okay, so in this way, and this is, okay, this is what called as a pair. Okay, sharing of the pair of the electrons. So these are the features of the covalent bond. So right now whatever the structure we have drawn, it is for the same atom. Okay, we can draw it for the different atoms also. Consider the example of H2O. Okay, H2O compound. Okay, consider the case of H2O compound. So देखो H2O compound की अगर बात करें, इसमें देखो क्या है, ऑक्सीजन का एटम है और हाइड्रोजन के भी दो एटम्स है. So how we can represent it? Okay, तो देखो ऑक्सीजन बीच में रहेगा. So oxygen is having 6 valence electrons. So 1 2 3 4, and this is 1 and this is, yes, this is 5 and 6, and this is hydrogen. Okay, आप देख सकते हो, ये मैं क्रॉस से दिखाता हूँ, डॉट एंड क्रॉस स्ट्रक्चर. ओके, you have studied already. So आप देख सकते हो, this cross is indicating one electron of this hydrogen atom. Okay, one electron of this hydrogen atom, सो व्हाट विल हैपन, इट विल कंप्लीट इट्स डुप्लेट, बराबर है, ये देखो ये कंप्लीट कर रहा है डुप्लेट, ये इसका डुप्लेट कंप्लीट कर रहा है, और ये क्या हो रहा है, ऑक्सीजन क्या कर रहा है, ये देखो उसका ऑक्टेट कंप्लीट कर रहा है, दिखाई दे रहा है सब लोगों को, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, ओके। सो ऑक्सीजन क्या कर रहा है इसमें, अपना ऑक्टेट कंप्लीट कर रहा है, और ये हाइड्रोजन ये क्या कर रहा है, डुप्लेट कंप्लीट कर रहा है, ये क्या कर रहा है, डुप्लेट कंप्लीट कर रहा है, एंड इट इज फॉर्मिंग अ बॉन्ड। तो कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे हम लोग इस बॉन्ड को, हाउ विल रिप्रेजेंट, दिस इज अ हाइड्रोजन एटम, it is forming a single covalent bond with the oxygen, and here it is forming a single covalent bond with this hydrogen atom, okay। So this is the bond structure of what we can say H2O molecules के लिए, okay, H2O molecules के लिए, H2O molecules के लिए, this is a structure, okay। So in this way we are drawing, okay। Then next example is suppose CCl4, okay। So CCl4 के लिए अगर देखें हम लोग, okay, CCl4 formation of CCl4, okay। So carbon valence electron for a carbon is 4, 1 2 3 4, okay। So molecule is CCl4 is the molecule। तो देखो कार्बन के कितने वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन, 4 वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, ओके। क्लोरीन के कितने होते हैं वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन, अभी देखा हम लोगों ने 7 होते हैं वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन, ये देखो क्लोरीन 1 2, ओके, क्रॉस से दिखाता हूं मैं ताकि आप लोगों को समझे, 1 2 3 4 and here 5 6 and here it is 7, okay। So then next another chlorine atom, here it is 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 7। So cross से जो मैंने क्लोरीन के लिए दिखाया हुआ है, डॉट से मैंने कार्बन के लिए दिखाया, so that you should understand it, okay। अभी देखो क्या हो रहा है, it is requiring only one electron, and that is, okay, that is pairing is done with this one of the carbon atom का जो इलेक्ट्रॉन है वो पेयर कर रहा है, जस्ट हम लोगों ने देखा है what are the features, okay, each atom is contributing its one of the electron, okay, to the other atom, ये क्या कर रहा है, अपना इलेक्ट्रॉन इसको इसके साथ शेयर कर रहा है, बराबर है। नाउ ये अभी अभी इस क्लोरीन एटम के लिए क्या होगा, वन ऑफ इट्स इलेक्ट्रॉन विल बी शेयर, क्योंकि ये दूसरा है, तो ये देखो इसका ऑक्टेट कंप्लीट हो गया, ये देखो इसका क्या हो गया, ऑक्टेट कंप्लीट हो गया, और इसका भी क्या हो गया, वन ऑक्टेट कंप्लीट हो गया, ओके, ऑक्टेट इज कंप्लीटेड। नाउ हाउ दिस विल कंप्लीट इट्स ऑक्टेट, सो 1 2 3 4, ओके, 5 6, ओके। तो आप देखो इसमें क्लोरीन कार्बन इज हैविंग, यस कार्बन इज हैविंग लास्ट 4, उसके 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन से, यस हमने यहाँ पे भी सिर्फ 2 ही दिखाए हैं, ओके। सो और 2 दिखाने पड़ेंगे हमें ऊपर में, यस और दिखाने पड़ेंगे बिकॉज इट इज CCl4, ओके। तो ये देखो यहाँ पे और एक क्लोरीन एटम है दूसरा, 1 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 and 7, okay। So another नीचे रहेगा एक, okay। So chlorine 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7। तो देखो अभी ये क्या हो रहा है, this carbon atom is sharing one of its electron with the chlorine to complete its octet, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, बराबर है। सिमिलर वे ये भी कंप्लीट हो रहा है ऑक्टेट, बराबर है। तो अभी बचा क्या, बचा कौन सा, बचा सिर्फ कार्बन। तो देखो कार्बन क्या हो रहा है, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, और आप देख सकते हो इन दिस वे this carbon is completing, so all these are completing their octet, okay। क्या हो रहा है, all these atoms are completing their octet। so yes ये देखो यहाँ पे एक बॉन्ड फॉर्म हो रहा है, कोवालेंट बॉन्ड, सिंगल कोवालेंट बॉन्ड, सिंगल कोवालेंट बॉन्ड एंड सिंगल कोवालेंट बॉन्ड। now how we can represent this, yes one carbon atom is present in the middle, then this is one chlorine, okay, this is one chlorine atom, another, this is one chlorine atom, this is one chlorine atom, and this is another chlorine atom, and in this way these there will be total 4 covalent bonds, single covalent bonds are present between this carbon and this fluorine। so this is the way called as a Lewis structure, इसको Lewis structure बोला जाता है, okay। so all atoms they are acquiring their octet, आप देख सकते हो सारे के सारे जो एटम्स है, ओके, वो क्या हो रहे हैं, ये भी ऑक्टेट कंप्लीट कर रहा है, ये भी ऑक्टेट कंप्लीट कर रहा है, ये भी कंप्लीट कर रहा है, ये भी ऑक्टेट कंप्लीट कर रहा है, अंदर में जो कार्बन है वो भी उसका क्या कर रहा है, ऑक्टेट कंप्लीट कर रहा है। so called as this is called as the Lewis structure, okay, this is called as the Lewis structure, okay। so there may be formation of multiple bonds. Okay, so right now this is a single covalent bond. Okay, this is right now a single covalent bond. Okay, formation of this single covalent bond is there. Okay, but there may be a formation of multiple bonds. Okay, क्या हो सकता है, multiple bonds भी form हो सकते हैं. तो in what case that multiple bonds are forming, that we will discuss, that we will see. Okay, चलो देखते हैं formation of a multiple bond. Okay, formation of a multiple bond. Okay, multiple covalent bond, multiple bond, okay, or multiple covalent bond. So consider the example of the nitrogen. Okay, consider the example of the nitrogen. Okay, nitrogen का example देखो N2 का. Okay, N2 molecule का example देखो. Okay, N2 molecule example देखो. So nitrogen. Nitrogen is having how much electrons? कितने electrons है? It is having how much electrons at the outer? Yes, it is having the 5 electrons. Okay, at its outer orbit. So nitrogen, where the nitrogen का जो atomic number है 7 है. So yes, 2 and this will be the suppose this will be the 5. Okay, so how much total 5 valence electrons are present? Okay, so 5 valence electrons are present. Now how to represent this? Okay, nitrogen N2 molecule. So यहाँ पे देखो nitrogen है. Okay, so we'll draw here 5 valence electrons. So look at this right now. 5 valence electrons are present. So we can represent 1, 2, 3. But it requires how much to complete its octet? It requires 3 electrons, 3 more electrons to complete its octet. Okay, so now what will happen? It has to pair with the 3 electron. Okay, 3 pairing होंगे यहाँ पे देखो, मैं यहाँ पे draw कर रहा हूँ. This is the nitrogen atom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 electrons are present. Similar way, another nitrogen atom. Okay, this is 1, 2, and 3 nitrogen, 3 valence electrons, and this is 1, 4, and 5. Now look at this right now. Okay, ये देखो, if this nitrogen, it makes the pairing between this three nitrogen, 3 electrons of this another nitrogen atom, so it will complete its octet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, in the same way, if these 3 electrons of this nitrogen atom makes the pairing between these 3 electrons of this nitrogen atom, so it will complete its octet. It will complete its octet. So octet कैसे complete हो रही है उसकी तरफ ध्यान देना है हमें. ये देखो 5 electrons are present at its valence, means what, it will require 3 extra electrons. Okay, and means what, 3 pairing चाहिए इसके लिए. तो आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे 1, 2, and 3. So in this way, the representation of this will be like this. Okay, so this is 1, 2, and 3 triple bond. Okay, that is present. So we can represent 1, 2, 3 nitrogen. So this multiple bond. Okay, 3 covalent bonds are present. Okay, 3 covalent bonds are present. 3 covalent bonds are present between this N2 molecule. Okay, N2 molecule में आप देखोगे. Okay, so they are having the multiple bonds. Okay, multiple bonds. Next is CO2. Okay, CO2 के लिए देखते हैं. Okay, CO2 के लिए देखते हैं. Next, another molecule is the CO2 molecules. Okay, so now carbon is having 4 valence electron. Oxygen is having, yes, 6 valence electron. Okay, अभी देखना लोगों ने. Okay, so oxygen is having 6 valence electron and carbon is having 4 valence electron. तो चलो देखो यहाँ पे कार्बन कि कितने हैं valence electron? That is, yes, 2 and 4 is configuration. Okay, oxygen is 2 and 6. Okay, like this, because 8 atomic number है. तो यहाँ पे देखो 4 and 6. So कार्बन को कितने चाहिए? 2 electrons चाहिए. Okay, to complete its octet. And here oxygen will require, okay, because 2 atoms are present of oxygen and it will require 2 electrons. So in that case we will represent, okay, carbon बीच में ले लेते हैं. Okay, so carbon is having 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, in this way. And right now oxygen, ये देखो oxygen के 6 है, तो चाहे तो मैं इसको अलग इससे दिखाता हूँ so that you should understand. 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is the 5, 6. आप देखो ऑक्सीजन के टोटल 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 electrons of oxygen. Okay, here oxygen, ओके 1 2 3 4 एंड 5 6। अब देखो ऑक्सीजन के 6 वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन, कार्बन के 4 वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन, 1 2 3 4 डॉट और क्रॉस स्ट्रक्चर से मैंने डिस्टिंग्विश किया है सो दैट यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड। नाउ व्हाट विल हैपन, these two electrons will be shared by this oxygen atom and it will complete its octet। आप देखो octet complete हो जाएगा। okay, so when these two electrons will be shared with the help with this oxygen, it is going to complete its octet। okay, and now for this carbon atom, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so two electrons, if it is shared, okay, two electrons shared with these two carbon atoms, and here two oxygen electrons are shared with this carbon atom, so it will also complete its octet। it will also complete its octet। तो देखो आप यहाँ पे, ये यहाँ पे एक, यहाँ पे एक, यहाँ पे एक, यहाँ पे, so what is happening here, so this carbon is making, yes, two covalent bond with the oxygen। okay, two covalent bond with the oxygen। आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे डबल बॉन्ड है, यहाँ पे क्या है, डबल बॉन्ड है। so this is two covalent bond, okay, two double bond, okay, that is formed between this CO2 molecules। okay, there are various other examples also, okay, that you can study where the multiple bonding, okay, there multiple bonding is shown, जहाँ पे multiple bonding show किया हुआ है। okay, so आप देख सकते हो other examples also like this ethylene, okay, various examples are listed।